Welcome to Adventure Tale, your backstage pass to the world's most fascinating manufacturing processes. Today, we're diving deep into an American tradition that's as old as the country itself, Thanksgiving turkey. But this isn't your grandmother's kitchen we're exploring. We're about to take you on an incredible journey through the modern marvel of large-scale turkey production. From the moment they hatch to the second they're packaged for your local grocery store, we'll uncover every step of how millions of turkeys make their way to Thanksgiving tables across the nation. So, grab a seat and get ready to gobble up some knowledge. Chapter 1. The Turkey Farm. Our journey begins here, at one of America's largest turkey farms. What you're looking at are state-of-the-art turkey barns. Each of these structures can house thousands of turkeys, providing them with everything they need to grow healthy and strong. The goal is to create the perfect environment for these birds to thrive. Let's take a closer look at how these turkeys are raised from day one. Chapter 2. The hatching process. It all starts here, in the hatchery. Thousands of turkey eggs are carefully placed in these high-tech incubators. These incubators mimic the perfect conditions for turkey egg development. Maintain a constant temperature of about 100 degrees Fahrenheit, and just the right humidity is important. It takes about 28 days for a turkey egg to hatch. Watch closely as the first cracks appear in the shells. These tiny poults, as baby turkeys are called, are about to take their first peek at the world. Within hours of hatching, these fluffy little poults are sorted, vaccinated against common poultry diseases, and prepared for transport to the growing barns. Chapter 3. The growing process. Welcome to what we call the starter barn. This is where our newly hatched poults will spend their first few weeks of life. These little guys need a lot of care in their early days. We keep the barn at about 90 degrees Fahrenheit at first, gradually lowering it as they grow. They also need constant access to fresh water and a specially formulated feed to help them grow strong. Take a look at these automated systems. They ensure that fresh food and water are always available to the growing turkeys. This not only keeps the birds healthy, but also reduces the workload on the farm staff. As the weeks go by, you can see how quickly these turkeys grow. By about 4 weeks old, they're ready to move to larger barns, where they'll have more space to move around. Chapter 4. Sustainable practices. Modern turkey farming isn't just about raising birds, it's also about sustainability. We're always looking for ways to reduce the environmental impact. Many of the barns use solar power and a biogas system that converts turkey waste into energy. It's good for the environment and helps keep the operational costs down. Some farms even use a free-range system for part of their production, allowing turkeys access to outdoor areas where they can engage in natural behaviors like foraging. These outdoor areas give the turkeys a chance to get sunshine and exercise. It's a bit more work, but we believe it results in happier, healthier birds. Chapter 5. Preparing for processing and transportation. As Thanksgiving approaches, it's time for the next phase of our journey. The turkeys have reached their target weight, and now they're ready for processing. Moving millions of turkeys from farm to processing facility is a massive logistical operation. It requires careful planning and execution to ensure the birds' welfare and maintain meat quality. We schedule the transports for cooler times of day, usually early morning or evening. This helps reduce stress on the birds. The trucks are specially designed with ventilation systems to keep the turkeys comfortable during the journey. This isn't just for the birds' comfort. Stressed turkeys can result in lower quality meat, so calm, careful handling is crucial at every stage. Chapter 6. Arrival at the processing facility. After a short journey, the turkeys have arrived at the processing facility. This is where the real magic happens, transforming live turkeys into the centerpiece of millions of Thanksgiving dinners. The facility operates around the clock during peak season. This facility might look like any other large industrial building from the outside, but inside is a marvel of modern food production technology. Let's take a look. Chapter 7: The Processing Journey. As we step inside, the first thing you'll notice is how clean everything is. Food safety is paramount in turkey processing, and that starts with a spotless facility. The turkeys are gently unloaded from the trucks and moved into a holding area. Here, they're given time to rest and calm down after their journey. Before any processing begins, each flock of turkeys undergoes a thorough inspection. We check for any signs of disease or other issues that might affect food safety. Only healthy birds move on to processing. The next step in the process is the most sensitive, and it's done with the utmost care and respect for the animals. Humane treatment is a top priority. Using a method called controlled atmosphere stunning, which uses a mixture of gases to render the birds unconscious before any further processing. This method is considered one of the most humane by animal welfare experts. This part of the process happens quickly and quietly, minimizing any potential stress on the birds. Once the initial stage is complete, the processing moves quickly. The birds go through a series of automated stations that handle the initial preparation steps. The equipment is designed for maximum efficiency while maintaining the highest standards of hygiene. Each station has a specific job, from feather removal to initial cleaning. Watch how precisely these machines operate. They're calibrated to handle turkeys of various sizes, ensuring consistent results regardless of the bird's dimensions. Chapter 8: The Cleaning Process. Cleanliness is crucial in food processing, and nowhere is this more evident than in the washing stations. Here, the turkeys go through multiple stages of washing to ensure they're thoroughly clean. We use a combination of high-pressure sprays and antimicrobial rinses. The water is kept at a specific temperature to be most effective. This process not only cleans the birds, but also helps to reduce any potential bacterial contamination. As the turkeys emerge from the washing process, they're ready for the next crucial stage, Chapter 9: Precision Cutting and Portioning. Now we're entering one of the most impressive areas of the facility, the cutting and portioning section. This is where whole turkeys are transformed into the various cuts you see in the grocery store. Take a look at these amazing machines. They use advanced imaging technology and precision robotics to cut each turkey with incredible accuracy. These cutting systems use cameras to scan each turkey. The computer analyzes the bird's shape and size in a fraction of a second, then guides the cutting blades to make precise cuts. While machines handle most of the basic cutting, skilled workers are still crucial for creating specialty cuts and products. Some of the customers want specific cuts that machines can't easily produce. That's where we come in. We can create custom portions, debone certain cuts, or prepare turkeys for specific cooking methods like deep frying. Not all turkey ends up as whole birds or standard cuts. Some is destined for other products. Using every part of the turkey is important not to waste food. What doesn't become whole cuts often goes into making ground turkey, turkey sausages, or other processed products. This helps reduce waste and provides consumers with a variety of turkey options. Chapter 10: Quality Control Checkpoints and Packaging. Throughout the cutting process, you'll notice numerous quality control checkpoints. These ensure that every cut meets the facility's high standards. We have both automated systems and human inspectors checking the meat at various stages. We're looking for any imperfections in the cuts, ensuring the meat looks good, and verifying that all safety protocols have been followed. This attention to detail is what ensures that when you open a package of turkey at home, it looks and tastes just as you expect. Now that the turkeys have been processed and cut, it's time for packaging. Good packaging serves multiple purposes. It protects the meat from contamination, extends shelf life, provides important information to consumers, and makes the product attractive on store shelves. As you can see, there are many different types of packaging used, depending on the product and its destination. For whole turkeys, the process starts with a thorough final inspection. Then, each bird is carefully placed into a durable plastic bag. We use a special shrink wrap process for whole turkeys. The bag is heated, causing it to shrink tightly around the bird. This not only makes the package more compact, but also helps prevent freezer burn if the turkey is frozen. We use what's called modified atmosphere packaging for many of the cut products. This involves removing the air from the package and replacing it with a special mix of gases that helps preserve the meat's freshness and color. And crucial part of the packaging process is labeling. Each package receives a label with important information. The labels include all the required information, like weight, cut type, and nutritional facts. But they also have a unique code that allows us to trace that specific package back to the exact flock it came from and when it was processed. This is crucial for food safety and quality control. With a quick scan, the entire history of this turkey can be pulled up from the farm where it was raised to its journey through this facility. Chapter 11. Chilling and storage, keeping it fresh. With the turkeys now processed and packaged, the next crucial step is proper chilling and storage. This is where the facility's enormous refrigeration systems come into play. Quick and effective chilling is crucial for food safety and quality. We need to bring the temperature of the meat down rapidly to prevent bacterial growth and preserve freshness. Watch as these freshly packaged turkeys enter what's called a blast chiller. This incredible machine can lower the temperature of the meat from processing temperature to just above freezing in a matter of minutes. The blast chillers use extremely cold air circulated at high speeds. This allows us to chill the meat quickly without freezing it, which is important for maintaining quality. Once chilled, the turkeys move into this massive refrigerated warehouse. Maintaining what's called the cold chain is crucial from this point until the turkey reaches the consumer's home. Conclusion. As we conclude our journey through turkey production, we've seen much more than just a manufacturing process. From the dedicated farmers raising the birds to the skilled technicians ensuring food safety, each turkey represents a story of care, precision, and tradition. The blend of cutting-edge technology and sustainable practices showcases how far we've come in producing food responsibly and efficiently. When you gather around the table this Thanksgiving, remember the incredible journey your turkey has taken, from a tiny egg in a high-tech incubator to the centerpiece of your holiday meal. This is not just about food, it's about community, innovation, and the remarkable systems that nourish our nation. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of turkey production. Until next time, keep celebrating the stories behind your meals.